Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can sync data across your devices on the Visual Studio Code app. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to the Visual Studio Code app, click into that gear icon in the bottom left and click into backup and sync settings. Next guys, what you want to do is click into sign in. And for the next step, make sure that you logged into your GitHub account. So you will need a GitHub account for this method. I'm going to use for this one, so click into sign in here. Alternatively, you may use also a Microsoft account. So I'm going to use GitHub. Then you will be redirected to this menu here. So guys, what you want to do is give the authorization for your account. You can also use a different one here. And sign in or continue with your Visual Studio Code app or account, here in GitHub. Click into continue. Then confirm by clicking into open Visual Studio Code. And now you have been redirected and this synchronization has been turned on, as you can see, and it works for your GitHub connected to your Visual Studio Code app or account. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.